Azaleas with brown leaves. Azaleas are woody shrubs available in several thousand varieties. Because of the range in azaleas, from evergreen to deciduous, brown leaves could mean several things. Distressed. Most azaleas prefer partial shade to full sun. If your azaleas receive too much sun and are not adequately watered, they may become distressed and turn brown. Azaleas transplanted during the heat of the day may also become distressed and start to turn brown. Watering. Plants that are yellowed and brown may indicate a watering problem. Too little water will leave the plant parched and brown. Too much water can create root rot, which drowns the roots with excess water. Carefully check azalea roots, they should be brittle. If the roots feel mushy, the plant is suffering from root rot. Seasonal change. Deciduous azaleas, which drop their leaves in the fall, will naturally turn brown in the fall months. Don't worry, leaves will grow back in the spring. If the leaves fall off during the summer, it may point to a problem such as a diseased plant. Disease. Leaf gall is a fungus that affects azaleas in the spring, changing leaves from green to white and then brown. The North Carolina State University notes that the disease does not harm the plant, beyond making it look bad. Remove affected leaves by hand and discard.